Hey guys, this is Marcus from Healthnews, and today I'm going to talk about an intriguing product designed to chase away the winter blues, the Luminette Light Therapy Glasses. Before we start, just a quick reminder that the holiday season is zooming in, so why not gift wrap some sunlight with a pair of Luminette glasses? Click that link in the description below this video where you'll find a special deal. Luminette Light Therapy Glasses are designed to deliver light directly to the wearer. The device works by mimicking the beneficial aspects of natural daylight. A beam of light enters your eye as naturally as sunlight would, without overwhelming your sight or hindering your vision. Luminette releases a safe, blue-enriched white light peaked at 468 nanometers. According to research, this wavelength is proven to be effective at triggering the body's positive response to daylight, meaning these glasses may improve your mood, boost energy levels, and reset disrupted sleep-wake cycles. Now, let's see what we have inside the box. Inside, you'll find a hard-shell storage case for your Luminette glasses. It's quite sturdy and offers good protection for the glasses when you're not using them. On this side of the case, we have a storage pouch with a zip where you can keep the microfiber cleaning cloth and extra earpieces. Then on the other side of the storage case, we have the star of the show, Luminette Light Therapy Glasses. They look pretty much like a pair of glasses that don't have lenses in them. And instead of lenses, there is a reflective hologram surface. And they're quite light, and they have foldable arms over an adjustable nose rest. Over here and here above both eyes, we find a row of LED lights that shine onto the hologram surface to create the full spectrum of light. Also, you'll find the micro USB charging cable, a charging block, the warranty registration card, and the user manual all inside the box. Alright guys, now we can move on to figuring out how to use Luminette glasses and what potential benefits it may offer. First, I want to be honest with you. I actually was a bit skeptical when I started using the Luminette glasses. I wasn't sure what to expect and whether they were worth my time. But now, I'm actually glad I tried them out. I'll talk about its effectiveness in a minute, but first, let's see how to set them up. It's actually really simple. The first thing you have to do is charge them for 2 hours before using them for the first time. Also, carefully remove the protective film from the hologram so the LEDs can shine directly onto it when you switch it on. Now, when you put them on, make sure they're in the right place. Now, if you position them too high, the light won't enter your eyes, and if they're too low, they'll be too bright. Ideally, your glasses should sit over your eyebrows so the blue light shines into your eyes. You can see when I close my eyes, there is a rainbow over my eyelids. And when I open them, the blue light is shining in my eyes. So it helps to use a mirror when you're setting them up for the first time. Move the adjustable nose rest up and down to help you get just the right fit. Oh, and by the way, if you wear glasses or contact lenses, you can still use Luminette without affecting your vision or comfort. Also, keep in mind that Luminette is not advised for people with eye diseases. For me personally, one of the best Luminette glasses features is being able to adjust the intensity of the light simply by pressing the on and off button. Press it once for 500 lux, twice for 1,000 lux, and 3 times for 1,500 lux. The higher the intensity, the less time you have to wear the glasses. Now, what if you forget how long you've been wearing them? Well, there's actually the timer, which is automatically set when you choose your preferred brightness setting. So all you have to do is switch the glasses on, place them in the right position above your eyes, and carry on with your routine. And when the time is up, the Luminette will blink 3 times and switch off automatically, ready for you to repeat the process the next day. I used Luminette solidly for about a month. Now, firstly, I started my experiment with 30 minutes at 1,000 lux when I got out of bed to make my morning coffee. I put them on, walked to the kitchen, made my coffee, and sat peacefully, looking out my window. At the beginning, the glasses kept, slipping down, so I had to resettle them a couple of times. But I also think that Luminette manufacturers should also take into account the differences in people's faces. The size of their noses and so on. I spent a little time adjusting the nose piece to see if I could improve the fit and comfort. And as a result, the next morning was much better. They didn't slip when I was moving around. And the 30 minutes passed super quickly. Did I notice a difference in my mood and energy levels after a month? Actually, I noticed an improvement in both. The interesting thing is that I did experience a bit of nausea and a mild headache the first few times I wore them, but it's only because I started with a higher intensity. So I suggest starting with the lower intensity at the very beginning to avoid all the side effects. Overall, I found that wearing Luminette glasses did lift my mood as promised. I felt more energetic during the day, and I didn't get into that winter blues that often as I naturally would. Plus, I'm the kind of guy who usually flips my pillow all night looking for the cool side, but while using Luminette, I've been out like a light and sleeping really solid. So, what are my final thoughts? At first I was a skeptic, but after a few weeks of slipping these on every morning, I've gotta say, the Luminette folks are really onto something. Sure, I had a few hiccups with fit and a bit of a light-induced roller coaster ride, but nothing that a little adjusting couldn't fix. Now that you know how Luminette glasses work, I bet you're quite interested in trying them. Simply click on the link in the description below to buy your first pair, and let us know in the comments below how Luminette worked for you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Health News channel, and I'll see you next time.